So hello all, in this video we'll start with exercise 6.2 linear inequalities, so that we have to do in the graph copy. So here I am with question number second. Question number first you can do yourself. We'll be doing some problems of this exercise, rest of them you have to do, and you can ask me doubt if there is any. So question number second, 2x plus y is greater than equal to 6. Now simply solve this, find out three pair of solutions, which we have already done in question in class 10th also. So let this be 2x plus y is equal to 6, right? So now we can say y is equal to 6 minus 2x. So for every different value of y we'll have different value of x, right? Let's take three solutions, 1 2 3 x y. So if x is 0, so y will be equal to 6 minus 2 bracket 0, which is 6, x 0, y is 6. If x is 1, so y will be equal to 6 minus 2 bracket 1, 6 minus 2, 4. So if x is 1, y is 4. If x is 2, y is equal to 6 minus 2 bracket 2, 6 minus 4, 2. So if x is 2, y is 2, right? So this we have got. Now what if I take this? So just try to understand this logic, we'll be using it. What if x is equal to 0 we put and y is equal to 0 we put? That should be greater than equal to 6. So is 0 greater than equal to 6? False, right? No, 0 is never greater than equal to 6. So this we'll be using. I'll show you where we are going to use it. Let us first draw its graph, right? So this is a graph paper, right? So three solutions we have, right? So now this I have drawn axis, coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis. Point of intersection is the origin, x minus x, y minus y. Now the points, pair of points are 0 comma 6, 1 comma 4 and 2 comma 2. So let's say this is 1 2, using pencil you have to do 3 4, minus 1 minus 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 0 comma 6, right? First point is 0 comma 6, then 1 comma 2, then 2 comma 2, 1 comma 4, then 2 comma 2. So 0 comma 6 is this point. Encircle this and write down 0 comma 6. Next is 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 is this point. 1 on x-axis and 4 on y-axis. 1 comma 4. 2 comma 2 is this one. 2 comma 2, right? Now this is a straight line, so join it. Join these 3 points using scale in this way, right? So now the point which I was discussing, right? If 0 is, we know that 0 is not greater than or equal to 6, right? So this statement is false. So if it is false, which area we are going to take? Outside one, right? Outside one area we will consider. This area we will take, right? This is required area. If 0 is less than 6 we had, right? If we have 0 is less than 6, then we will be using this one area. If true condition is there, then we will be using the condition which is towards origin, right? This area we will be taking. If false condition is there, then we will be taking away area, right? So this is the required area of this equation of the line is 2x plus y is greater than 6. So 2x plus y greater than equal to 6. This is our answer of this question. So this equation you can write here on the line also. So this area is the required answer. Next, x minus y is less than equal to 2. So again let x minus y is equal to 2. So put x is equal to 2 plus y. Now for every different value of x, we will have different value of y, right? X, y, right? So if y is 0, x is 2, y is 0, x will be equal to 2 plus 0, which is 2. If y is 1, so x will be equal to 2 plus 1, which is 3. If y is 2, so x will be equal to 2 plus 2, which is 4. So these points we have got. Again, plot these points on a graph paper, right? So 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2. So how to do it? We all know. Just take coordinate axis. First draw the coordinate axis, right? Now draw a line in this way, right? Put arrowheads, y minus y, x minus x. One more thing, don't forget to write the scale. In the previous question, write scale also. So scale on y axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On x axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, right? So this is scale. On the right hand side top corner you have to write. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So what are the points? 0, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 4. 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, sorry, 2, 0, it is 2, 0, 3, 1 and 4, 2. So 2, 0, 3, 1, 3, 1 and 4, 2, 4, 2, right? Now draw a line in this way, joining the 3 points in this manner, right? Write the equation. We'll write first. Let's see if we put 0, 0 in this equation, right? X minus y is lesser than equal to 0. So 0, if x is 0, y is 0, lesser than equal to 0. So 0 is lesser than equal to 0, which implies true, which is true. Yes, we know that 0 is equal to 0. So if it is true, we have to take area towards the origin. So this area we are going to take this time, right? This is our required area, right? Towards the origin, right? So write the equation of line. Equation of line is x minus y lesser than equal to 2. So this is the equation of line. So this is its answer. Scale we will write here on x axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So this is our answer of this question. Next is minus 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to minus 6. So again let 3x minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6 minus 6, and let's draw its curve. So 2y is equal to 3x minus 6, y is equal to 3x minus 6 upon 2. For every different value of y, we will have different value of x. For every different value of x, we will have different value of y, x, y. So if x is equal to 0, right? So y will be equal to minus 6 upon 2, minus 3, right? So if x is 0, minus 3. If x is equal to 2, so this implies y is equal to 3 bracket 2 minus 6 upon 2. 0 minus 6 minus 6 upon 2, which is equal to 0. So if x is 2, y is 0. If x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus okay, let's take 4, so y is equal to 3 bracket 4 minus 6 upon 2, 12 minus 6 upon 2, 6 upon 2, 3. So if x is 4, y is 3. So you can easily plot these points, right? Now which portion we have to take, let's define that also. So minus 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to minus 6. So put x is equal to 0, minus 3, 0 plus y is equal to 0, minus 6. So this implies 0 is greater than equal to minus 6. So yes, we know that 0 is greater than minus 6. This implies true. So that means origin side portion you have to take, right? Left side portion you have to take of the line, right? Don't take right side position. If false condition is there, then you have to take right side. Forget about left and right. Origin side, wherever you will have origin on the line, origin towards the line, so that portion you have to cover, right? So if you draw these points on a graph, just draw it yourself. It is very easy. You can easily draw. Next, let's take question number 9. Y is less than minus 2, right? So y is less than minus 2. So let y is equal to minus 2. So let's draw the graph. So y is equal to minus 2, right? So draw a line in this way. Just it should be straight, and minus x, y, minus y, 0, 0, 1, 2. Now y is equal to minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 is this line, right, parallel to x-axis. So let's draw this line and write down y is equal to minus 2. Y is less than minus 2. Now if I put y is equal to 0 here, right, so 0 is less than minus 2, which is false, right, false condition. So if condition is false, that means the portion away from origin we have to take, the area away from origin we have to consider. So this will be the required area, right? This is the required area. This is our answer, right? Very easy it is. So this is question number 9. So in this way you can solve each and every part of this question, of this exercise. So just find out 3 solutions and mark the required portion, required area, and draw the graph. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box also. So thank you.